are you guys? Are you fine according to where you are? How is Christmas? How has it been? How did last year treat you? Was it good? Was last year good? Are we praying our God to at least give us another year which is good, more than this, which is better than this year 2025? To me, it has been so hard. It has been so hard according to me. I don't know where you are. How was it? Was it fine? How do you want 2026 to be to your side? Because my 2025 was not so good. I had ups and downs, broken heart, and many other things. Surely for me, 2025 was not the best year for me. Anyway, at home. I came for Christmas and I decided to show you how Ukambani looks like. Let me show you the trees of this place. Look. By the way, it has been raining for the last week. And before last week, it was very dry, I'm telling you. It was very dry. The place was not the best one. But after rains for 1 week, look. Just look. It has changed. You can't even know whether there was nothing green at this place. But now after that rain of 2 weeks only, now everything has changed. Mains are now green, trees are now green. We have green places for pastures for cows. So we have grass for cows. We have everything is fine for sure. So me, what I can say, God is good, because we had to lose hope. We had very many thoughts of will we get the rains back? But now we can see, we can still have faith, we can still have some hope of getting back the climate. Very soon we will have our food, our maize growing green. So my people, thank you for watching. Bye. See you in the next video.